So if you are a supplier of Electrolux and received the invitation mail, the invitation mail will be named by your commodity manager. So you have a link here, you click here to create your account or just connect. When you click the link, it takes you to Ariba Network and you have two options. If you already have an account within Ariba Network, you just click login. Otherwise, you go in sign up. So first, of course, is to create your account into Ariba. And secondly, is answer Electrolux questionnaire, and then you are registered in Electrolux. So just check your address, etc. The seat. Let's use Charlotte, which is our Electrolux North America site. That is in North Carolina, and this is a code for North Carolina. Okay, let's use it. I think it's yeah. Then very important here, if you select this box, your username will be your email. However, you won't allow any other user. So do not select this box. You can continue using an email here as the username, but don't select this box. This is an important tip, okay? And I think that everything is set. You click create account and continue. Of course, you need to accept the terms. Oh, and something is wrong here, right? Now I have created my account and the system will automatically change the address and go to our questionnaire. So if we're going to do the registration at once, so that would be the best option because the system will drive you through the process. Of course, you might not have all information. Now you are seeing Electrolux questionnaire. Okay, you have your account, right, in Ariba Network, but you are here in Electrolux Supply Registration Questionnaire of Electrolux. This is the only document number. You fill in the information, you have some already filled. You can fix maybe, oh, they forgot to put limited, right? That will fix it. You can change. You can, when you create your company, some mandatory, the street, house number, postal code. It's changing here, must be the other one, right? 28. City, Charlotte, because it my house number, country, postal city, region here, North Carolina, and then options you can deliver to Electrolux. Okay, the, the VAT information very important. You select the country first. I will select, of course, US, and there is a rule because the system will check, right? Country, uh, United States, US. Okay, if you don't fill in the right way, the system will. Okay, so I have only this. Then contact persons, Paulo, Leventon, and also my email address here. Okay, then I will put Electrolux Supplier mail.com. Okay, let's say let's say that let's save it because I have other things to do. You can save for later, right? The system will check. Oh, here. So this is something important because the system check that the tax ID is incorrect. So you need to provide a valid tax ID. So this is very important. Let me just copy from. Let me see if I. Now remember to put use zeros here, not plus signal. Okay, for telephone numbers. Of the system will. I have already fixed it. And then let's say you want to do it later, so you can save it for later access. Then you save, and I'll just log out the system and log in again. When you do it, remember that it's case sensitive, both the user and the password. Okay, it can be confusing if you try to put your email without capital letters if you select that. Okay, in this case, of course, I'm logging as a supplier. I just want to explain where to find the questionnaire that you haven't submitted. Okay, the questionnaire is there, pending submission. So you have an Ariba network, you have a tab for Electrolux. If you have any other customer, you're gonna have a different tabs, okay? Just ignore this one, and you have a list of events, registration questionnaires, any other qualification questionnaires, and additionally we have a questionnaires to get certificates or any other information. Okay, so you will receive it for sure, because Electrolux needs to get your certificates, for example ISO or restrict material list. It's important to have control here, and also you can use these to control as well the validation of these documents. But let's go back to the supplier registration. If you, okay, disregard the registry status because I have done it before, right? Let me just open again. So it means that when you find, you're gonna see the status there. If you save for later and open the Ariba network, the status would be in registration, okay, or in process, but never register it, okay? Because when you submit something, I can change anything, whatever I change here, even a number, just to ensure the system will send. Here you need to select the commodity, okay? I just let me go through, it's important. You click on select your commodity manager to support if you want, but basically, let's say you can search here, but let's say I supply professional services, right? Let's see if I can find something here. Yeah, I found. I select this one. Done. You can add more categories to Electrolux. Okay, then I can click on Submit Entire Response. Remember, can you see this 1 year validation? Why? Because anytime you want to update the information, you go in the questionnaire and review. Okay, so now it's submitted. If I go back to Electrolux, to my dashboard, in Electrolux tab, so you can see the supplier registration questionnaire was submitted. Of course, you already registered in Electrolux, but the questionnaire uh, is up for me to review and approve in the system. Okay. As I said, when we open, it's 1 year validation, means that it's always available for you to click on this questionnaire to review. You can review the answers anytime. Okay. And every time you do it, I receive an email and I have to approve again. Uh, the review. Okay, so it's really easy how to get registered in Electrolux. Remember, it's different things. Ariba Network registration is more to have access to the portal, and Electrolux questionnaire is the registration that we are asking you to do. It's really not complex, it's just your basic information. After that, you're gonna receive a certification. It's the same. It will be in the mail with a link to it. And when you click the link, you go to Ariba portal. You need to log in Ariba portal, and then you will see this certification. For example, you select OK ISO 9001. You select yes, I have it, and then you need to fill it with information, the issue, the publication year, a number, etc., effective date, expiration date, and attach the document here. So the system will remind you and us that the certification need to be updated. So we don't need to worry about that anymore. It's very helpful. Also, if you have any other component certificate, it's very used for electronics and electrical components. You can add here, okay? And others. Also, the quality team will be able to search and find the certification in the system when they run audits to you. Okay, then you also submit the response or save for later and done. So it's not actually difficult. In case of needs, contact your commodity managers for support. And again, if you're logging in or not logging, try to use help desk from Ariba. Okay, you just go here in Help Center and scroll down. You have a button here with support. When you click on support, a new window will open, right? You type the doubt you have, how to register. The system will first try to give you some tips what to do. Usually they have a lot of, and then you answer some basic questions. Are trying to find no, I don't know, no, no, and then finally you can get help by chat. This is new, by mail, or get phone call, right? Estimated time in minutes for non-bidding call means that in 2 minutes they will contact you to support. This is estimated. So I would suggest to use call because they will fix and help you at the same time, same day. Okay. So here no, you put your name, fill in the information, confirm your telephone number, etc., etc. I agree, and they will call you. Correct? They call you and try to support you through the process you get registered. Really, if you can do it, the registration very quick if you use these tips here. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.